A resource manager template defines all the resources that must be created using that template. An Azure Resource Manager template is written in JSON, and this will allow you to express how you want the resources to be created. In simple words, JSON is a collection of key value pairs. Let's talk about this with an example. A key value pair may look like this. A virtual machine name is a web server. A virtual network name is prod vnet. A network ID is 10.20.30.0.24. So that's how key value pairs look like. Now, once you have defined all the key value pairs in a JSON format, then you can call that JSON with one of the supported platforms like PowerShell. So let's say you have a JSON file with the name network.json or infrastructure.json. So you'll keep that somewhere in D drive or F drive, wherever. Once that is ready, you will call that with PowerShell, and the resource manager template will automatically start building everything that's there in the JSON file. When it comes to JSON, we need to understand what parameters are and what variables are. In the next two sections, we will be talking about parameters and variables.